Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Power BI projects tutorial. In this particular tutorial we will be analyzing COVID-19 dataset. So without delaying, let's get started. So first let's import our Excel dataset and then open Power Query by clicking on transform data. In this part we will be doing some data cleaning. So what we need to do, we are going to do some okay, we are going to remove some columns that will not be necessary, okay, in our future analysis. So remove those columns, okay, that are unnecessary. For this I will only choose necessary columns and I will select remove other columns, okay, to make our task more easier, because if we look at the dataset, there are huge amount of data that we are going to remove or that are unnecessary, okay, for us in this analysis. Okay, so select only columns that are useful, that are necessary for us. Total cases, new cases, okay, then total deaths, new deaths, okay, then no, we would need test, new test or total test, and new okay, we may need a population, okay, so keep this column. And median is, of course, this is important feature, this will be an important feature, okay, in our future analysis. Then male smoker, female smoker, then utilities. Okay, human development index, okay, this feature also may be necessary, okay. Okay, no problem, keep it. Okay, so now we will remove other columns, okay, we only need or keep the necessary columns. So uh, okay, so now check if there is inconsistency with our data, okay. So check if there are null values. Yes, there are null in continent picture, so unselect null, only select the non-null values. Location, okay. Date is also okay. Total cases, okay. New cases, okay. Total deaths, unselect null, okay. Location, median age, okay. Now rename those columns, or okay, or location, I'll say country, then date, then total cases, new cases, then total deaths, population. Okay, why we are renaming these columns? because this will improve the visual perspective in our visualization, okay, future visualization. So this is important for visualization purpose, renaming this column in a good manner, okay. Indian is HDI or SDI, Human Development Index, okay. uh, okay, we are almost done, so rename this sheet 1 to like COVID-19 dataset analysis dataset. Okay, COVID-19 dataset. Okay, we are done. Now click on close and apply. Okay, to get back to our dashboard. Okay, so let's begin our analysis. First, we're going to implement or represent this objective into visualization. So this is saying top 10 countries by total cases. For this purpose, I'll select area chart, and I'll select country and drag it to x-axis, and then total cases to y-axis. Okay, and if I go into focus mode, then I see this visualization is representing the total number of cases uh, by country. Okay, so among these countries, I just need to show top 10. Okay, top 10 countries. So I need to go to filter and select top n, and I'll select top 10. Okay, I'll filter this data by total take cases, and I'll apply filter. Okay, here if we look into y level, if we want to change this unit data unit, right, we need to go to y-axis, and here value field, then here this is showing display unit, so we can change display unit to thousands, millions, billions as per your wish. But okay, this display unit also works like a factor in increasing the uh, okay, attractiveness of our visualization. So uh, I will let it be auto. Okay, the Power BI default choice. Okay, and here I will uh, enable the data labels to show the exact values. Then if we want to change the color or this shade, area shade, here we can go into like lines and colors. Can select any colors we want. I'll select this. Okay, here are this visualization is representing the total number of cases by country. Okay, okay, So this is our first visualization. So second task, uh, our second objective is saying that new cases by continent. So we need to show new number of cases by the continent. Okay, group by continent. So I'll select for this visualization pie chart, and I'll go into focus mode. Then I'll select continent to legend and total cases to values. Here I will remove this data label. Okay, to look it more uh, clear. Okay, okay. Then our third objective is saying total deaths by continent. Again, I will select pie chart. This time I will select total death to values and continent to legend. Again, I will remove or enable data labels. Okay. Now, if we compare these two visualization, we uh, we can note that the legend are identical. Okay, of these two visualization, the legend is identical. So we can use only one legend that will work for both of the visualization, both of the pie chart. So for this, since they are okay, look, the color of the slices are representing the same continent, Europe, Asia, the same color. Okay, so we don't need to worry about the um, data slices color. So simply we will remove any one of the legend. Okay, so go into format tab and remove, turn off this legend. Now this is a creative task, right? By selecting only one legend for two of these visualization makes this visualization more creative. Okay, okay. Here another thing, during resizing, if at any point you feel like the data is not readable, what you can do is go to view tab and click on current customize current theme. Okay, and go to text field and then general tab. Make sure you are present in the general tab, and from there you can increase font size. Okay, that will affect the whole dataset text. Now click apply. See, we just increased our font size. Okay, but now I don't think we need the font size, increasing font size, right? So simply I will uh, left it as default. Okay, okay, till now we have completed three visualizations so far. So if we go to our next visualization, our next objective, we see this is saying total cases by countries. Okay, now we'll create some complex visualization. Till now we have these three visualization is like simple visualization. What is the difference between these two type of visualization? Complex visualization means that the visualization that we are going to create, that will tell a story. Okay, a story behind the visualization. We will create a visualization like that that will tell a story. Okay, and these how can we implement complex visualization? Now let's check. Okay, total cases by countries. For this, I will select line chart. Okay, then select date into x-axis and country to legend and total cases to y-axis. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll select top 5 countries. Not, I don't need all of them. I just want to see the top 5 countries that have the most cases. Okay, positive cases. Okay. Okay, now how this becomes a complex visualization, how this visualization is telling us a story. If we uh, attentively look at this visualization, we can see that this visualization is representing um, three quantity or three different types of uh, features at a time. This is showing the date, this is showing total number of cases and the countries. Okay, we can compare, or we can see three different type of features at a time by this kind of visualization. Okay, we can see the date and the country and the total cases at a time, both of all of them. Okay, so these type of visualizations uh, sometimes uh, works really well, and this is also useful. Okay, in many analysis. Okay, so our next objective is going to show median age by countries. Okay, for this I will select line chart and I'll go into focus mode. Now I'll select median age to x-axis, sorry, y-axis, and select continent to x-axis and country to legend. Okay, so actually we are going to create a complex visualization that will be create with a story behind it. Okay, so I'll uh, filter some country. I'll select top like I said top 10 countries by total cases and apply filter. Here I'll select median average ages. Okay, here uh, actually how this visualization also, okay, becomes complex visualization, or how this visualization is telling us a story. So we are analyzing, actually we are analyzing median age by country and continent. Okay, so if we analyze this complex visualization, we see that in Asia, in late 20 and early 30, where people are most affected. Okay, and if we look into South America, the we can observe similar trend here, that in early 30, the people have most affected. Okay, and same trend for United States, that late 30 or early 40, the age people is okay number, the maximum number of people affected at the age of early 30, early 40, sorry, early 40 and late 30. Okay, so this is how this visualization is telling us a story, or as telling us the most useful information. Okay, by combining three features at one visualization. Here this uh, legend is looking little messy, so I will remove this legend. Okay, now it's looking fresh. Okay, till now we have created two complex visualizations, right? Okay, so our next uh, task is going to create some cards that will show statistical values like total cases, total number of cases, total new cases, number of new cases, and total deaths. Okay, so I'll create another page for cards. Select card, and here Click, I will drag total cases to fields, then I'll select another card and new cases, to fields. Okay, and then another card for number of deaths, total deaths. Okay, same for here. If you want to change this display unit uh, from billion to like something like million, okay, you can go to format tab and uh, click call out value and select display unit to millions. Okay, but if we in this part millions is not looking so good, so I'll leave it to default. Okay, auto. Okay, till now we have almost completed all of our objectives by analyzing the dataset. Now we'll be create our final report. Okay, by merging all of the dataset we have sorry sir, by merging all of the visualization we have created till now. So I will merge these visualizations into this ultimate page. Okay, to create a report. Okay, okay, so copy these visualizations by pressing Ctrl C in your keyboard and then paste by Ctrl V. Okay, I will resize those visualizations to fit it in this dashboard. Okay, okay, from page 1 select this to visualization, copy paste to the output report. Okay, total deaths, total cases, and total cases. Okay, now I will insert a shape to name our dashboard. Okay, okay. I will set color to and text on. I'll write COVID. I'll name this COVID-19 analysis. COVID-19 analysis. Okay, and I will increase the size and change the font color to black. Okay, So this is our ultimate report after analyzing the COVID-19 dataset. Okay, here we have created two complex visualization that uses three features at single visualizations, uh, and that tells us a story, and two pie chart that is using single legend for both uh, of them, and here an area chart. Okay, and some cards that show statistical values. Okay, so we have almost used some important type of visualization, okay, or important type of analysis we have done. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.